welcome to the Austin Trailhead of the Peak to Palmetto passage of the Palmetto Trail. I'm getting ready to do my last road walk section of the Palmetto Trail from Peak to Palmetto passage to Capital City passage. It's going to take me more than one day since I have to go in both directions because it's just me and one car. So, right at the passage, I didn't realize this before, there's a beautiful campground right at this trailhead. Like, there's the campground, there's the parking, and there's a sign saying Peak to Prosperity with the bridges. It's going to be a warm day. It's supposed to get up to like 90 degrees. But I've got my sunblock, got way too much water, got my electrolytes, so ready to get started. I feel like it's gonna be a boring day, but maybe we'll see something cool. So I'm getting ready to go under the bridge that, well, the trail actually goes right on top of the bridge, but I'm gonna go underneath it now. Didn't realize there is a canoe kayaking zone right here. I'm approximately halfway done with this road walk. The road walk is about 28 miles long. There's some alternate routes that look a little bit shorter but less safe. They're only like a mile or so shorter. And so I'm just taking this route. I'm halfway done for the day, finally get to turn around and head back to my car, so 14 miles down. It is warm today, but hey, I'm finally halfway done with this road walk. Only 14 miles left till I've completely finished the Palmetto Trail, continuous footpath. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm on the northern trailhead of the Capital City Passage, getting ready to head north to finish my last road walk of the Palmetto Trail to have a continuous footpath. That's it, to have a continuous footpath. This trailhead is so pretty. It's going to be way prettier than the actual road walk itself, probably. I've got about 28 miles to do today, 14 out, 14 back, in a little less than 10 hours because the parking lot closes at 9. So I need to get started. I'll show you a quick glimpse of what is here because it is gorgeous. It's a bathroom. When I hiked this section, I saw an otter. So cool. every time I do a road walk, particularly in South Carolina on the Palmetto Trail, I get offered a ride at least once. Today's count is at 2 so far. Yep. Most people out here don't even know what the Palmetto Trail is. I guess, you know, this section isn't exactly the Palmetto Trail, it's a road connector, but oh well, people being nice. Woo! I just finished the Palmetto Trail. Finally! I have a continuous footpath, including all the road connectors from Oconee State Park all the way down to the coast. I know this is not the most exciting ending spot next to the highway, but I still have to walk all the way back to my car, and that's a much better ending spot. It is definitely time for a celebratory snack. Okay, just save this turtle from getting hit by a car. He was trying to cross the road and I didn't let him. I turned it back around, so hopefully he doesn't turn around and try to cross again. Yeah, hi. It's not safe on the road. Way too many cars, you'll never make it. Alright, it was nice to meet you. Stay on the road. Stay safe. Don't eat garbage. Yeah. So many kitties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10, 11, 12. So many, so many kitties. I did it. Finally finished the Palmetto Trail and back to my car. 28 miles done today. Woo! It's the moon.